We take for granted that our video files on our iPhone are going to open up and play the next time we turn our phone on. But that is not a given. Like, that phone is not going to last forever. If you think about in the context of an organization or an institution like USC, you think about the wealth of knowledge that is at our fingertips and ready to be preserved and could be available for future generations. It's so important. And if you think about, like, in the last 10 years, we've seen how many different formats come and go. And the kind of the cool thing to think about here is, like, the older the source media, the more stable it is long term. So as we move through the years from, like, film to open reel video to cassette videotape, the newer the media generally, the quicker it decays. We have a pretty robust system for managing records that are associated with the media that we get. Everything that we work with here is subject to some sort of hand inspection. We create losslessly compressed video files. We think of them as like a one-to-one representation of the original. Every file we create here is subject to some level of quality control. So we have student workers that work here and help out with a lot of our quality control. And then we deliver to our client either by storing it in our digital repository and giving them access, or by delivering on a hard drive or some other means of delivery. We needed a way to present collections to the collection owners. So DRMS is an asset management system that allows folks who use us for digitization or preservation to access, describe, organize their material. And it's a really powerful tool that was pioneered here at USC. Every time we create a file here, we create a checksum value. If a data change, if a bit flip is detected anywhere along that chain of events, that file is immediately replaced from a mirrored copy that we have at Clemson University. We're the product of a collaboration between the USC Shoah Foundation, ITS, and the libraries, right? So the Shoah Foundation pioneered this mass digitization process for preserving Steven Spielberg's mission to collect all of the testimonies relevant to the Holocaust, right? And when the Shoah Foundation was given to USC, all of that infrastructure existed here at the university, but that project came to an end. So the digital repository was this sort of brainchild of these various groups at the university to make use of all of this equipment and preserve large collections of media for future generations.